Okay, so we just used a table to think about the relationship between the round and how many hot dogs Sonia ate. Our table looks like this. For round 1, she ate 2. Round 2, she ate 4. Round 3, she ate 6. Round 4, she ate 8. Round 5, she ate 10. Round 6, she ate 12. And the relationship between the rounds and how many she ate, we could see that in a couple of different ways. One, we could see that when the round changed by 1, the first thing we saw was that when the round changed by 1, the hot dogs changed by 2. The round changed by 1, the hot dogs changed by 2. So we could see when the rounds increased by 1, the hot dogs increased by 2. That's one way we could look at this table to see what is the pattern, what is happening. Another way we could look at this table is to think about what happened to the R to get the S. So this is where our equation came in. What did we do to the R to get to the S? What is the relationship? For every R, we did what? What happened from the R to the S? In this example, the round, the R, was multiplied, the R was multiplied by 2 every time. For every round, she ate 2 hot dogs. So that was what our equation looked like. Sonia's hot dogs equaled 2 times whatever R was every time. 7 times 2 was 14. We could also see the pattern that way. Just one more example for Takuro. What happens to the X to get the Y? What happened to the R to get Takuro's number? We took the rounds, we multiplied it by 2, and then we subtracted 1 every time. So the round was 1, you multiply it by 2, that's 2, minus 1 equaled 1. That's how many he ate in round 1. We took the round, 2, we multiplied it by 2, that's 4, minus 1 equaled 3. That's how many he ate in round 2. We took the rounds, we multiplied it by 2, that's 6, minus 1 equals 5. So we could see that that is what we did to the R to get Takuro. So Takuro ate 2 times whatever the round was, minus 1. That always told us what Takuro's was. So we can see the relationship from X to Y. So in this next activity, you're going to look at the relationship. You're going to look at the relationship in the table. What is happening? And for some of these tables, you might look, how is X changing and how is Y changing? For some of the tables, you might look at what happened to the X to get to the Y. You are going to have to look for patterns. Which one is it? What do you see? Some might be easier to see than others. Think about it like a puzzle. What is going on here? What is that